Hi, have you been wondering if the magnetic lashes stay on in the wind? Oops, I'm getting a notification. Perfect. Watch this. I have my blow dryer and we're going to get some wind velocity going here on my lashes. Here we go. Oh boy. Okay, so my hair's wind blown now. My dryer's falling apart. The little thingy fell off. But anyway, the lashes are still on. They still look beautiful. Tori Bell magnetic eyeliner and lashes. They will hold up to our wild winds, and you're going to love them. Thanks for watching.